If you're tired of your current kitchen trash setup, I'm going to show you how to go from this to this with a simple kit. Our kitchen trash setup was no longer working for my family of 5, so I decided to install this Insputer pull-out under cabinet trash can kit, and honestly, I wish I had done it sooner. First, just a heads up, this kit includes the pull-out frame and soft close slides, but you'll need to provide your own trash can, so make sure you measure your cabinet first to choose the ones that will fit. The installation was pretty straightforward. First, you attach the 2 sides to the base with the included hardware, and then you attach the 2 supporting braces to the frame. There is one in the back of the frame and also in the front of the frame to further add support and stability. The frame itself feels extremely sturdy. It's made from heavy-duty steel and it's designed to hold up to 100 pounds. The next step in the installation process is to attach the pull-out frame to the soft close slides on both sides. One of my favorite features is definitely the soft close slide system. It glides effortlessly and quietly back into the cabinet without slamming. Now we're ready to mount the frame to the inside of the cabinet. The kit does include this handy template so you know exactly where to screw it in. Once you're done securing it to the inside of the cabinet, it's time to add the mounting hardware to the door itself. Again, the kit contains a template that makes it easy to know where to mount the hardware. This is where it's important to pay attention to the directions. You want to make sure that you don't screw the mounting screws too tight because you're going to need to be able to have some wiggle room for adjustments. Now you're ready to attach the original cabinet door to the pull-out frame. This is the part that took the longest to try to make all of the necessary adjustments with the set screws so that it aligned properly and closed properly. Once I completed all of the adjustments, the soft close slides glided smoothly and everything felt secure. I actually installed 2 of these, one for the trash and one for recycling, and I like how it keeps everything hidden inside the cabinet while still making it super easy to access. If you're remodeling your kitchen or just looking for a simple upgrade that makes everyday life feel a little easier, I think this is one of those projects that's absolutely worth doing. And it's one of those upgrades I notice and appreciate every single day.